Good morning, students of 6th ICSE. How are you all doing, children? Be safe at home and continue watching the online classes and be benefited. Last week, we learnt civics about the rural local self-government. I taught you till the village level, that is Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Till that we learnt last week. The remaining part of the lessons will be taught today. So just we'll have a recap of this rural local self-government. We had the nutshell of that lesson, and then I introduced the rural local self-government. After that we saw about the need for local self-government, what all the need for the people in the local self-government, and then we saw about the agriculture in that place, that is local self-government, and about the electricity in the local rural local self-government, and then education in that place, and also the good health, how they are maintaining in the rural self-government, and about the maintenance of the road. Yes, really the rural self-government will have a pakka maintenance of the road. And then we saw about the structure of Panchayati Raj system and explain the structure of the Panchayati Raj, that is Jilla Parishad, Block and Panchayat Samiti, then Gram Panchayat, that is Jilla Parishad is district level, Block and Panchayat Samiti is district level first, then block level, then village level. Then after that we saw about the village level Grama Sabha, how the Grama Sabha in the village level, how they discuss things. And then we saw about the functions of the Gram Panchayat. In that we saw the seeds for the farmers, how the seeds are given to the farmers, and how they had the education in the village level. And then we learnt the good supply of drinking water, and then we learnt detailedly about the street light of that village level, and then maintenance of that village level, the road is maintained good and pakka. And then till this we saw last week. Then today we'll be continuing about the Nyaya Panchayat, how this Nyaya Panchayat was there in the village level. A Nyaya Panchayat is like a local court. It settles minor disputes and provides cheap and prompt justice to villages. Generally, there is one Nyaya Panchayat for a number of villages. There will be many villages and there will be one Nyaya Panchayat. Members of a Nyaya Panchayat are elected by Gram Panchayat. A member of a Gram Panchayat cannot be a member of the Nyaya Panchayat at the same time. How it functions? A Nyaya Panchayat can pass judgments on petty civil and criminal cases. A Nyaya Panchayat can only impose fines. For all this, only this pictures is an example for this function and how this Nyaya Panchayat will exist. It cannot sentence a person to jail. Minor disputes are dealt with in a swift, simple and inexpensive process. If a person feels that she or he has not received justice, then an appeal can be made at a higher court of justice. This is about the Nyaya Panchayat of the village level. Now we are going to see the block level, how the block level will function. A district is divided into development blocks. A block samiti works as an essential link between Gram Panchayats and the Zilla Parishad. Members of a block samiti are elected for a term of 5 years. And then what is the composition of this block level? We will see what are the sarpanches of all villages that fall within the block. Members of the state legislature and members of parliament elected from that block. Seats are reserved for women and people belonging to the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. Members of the block samiti elect a chairperson and a vice chairperson. The chairperson, also known as block pramukh, is responsible for the daily working of the samiti. In the absence of the chairperson, the vice chairperson look after the functioning of the samiti. All plans of the block samiti are implemented within the help of the block development officer. She or he is responsible for the development of the whole block. This one picture clearly tells about the composition of the block level. Now we'll see the functions of the block samiti. What is that? The block samiti makes plans for the development of the whole block. Experts known as extensive officers help villages in many ways. For you can see in the picture, the experts in agriculture advises villages on better variety of seeds and pesticides, new methods of cultivation and so on. The expert in animal husbandry tells them about better breeds of cattle, their upkeep and maintenance. Educational expert organize a literacy program. Then guidance on health care and family welfare. Okay children, once again I will tell whether the expert in agriculture advises villages on better variety of seeds and pesticides. And then the expert in animal husbandry tells them about the better breeds of cattle, their upkeep and maintenance. Educational experts organize literacy programs, and then guidance on welfare, care and family welfare also provided. This is about the functioning of the block level. Now we will see about the district level. First we saw the village level, the block level. Now we will see what happens in the district level. The Zilla Parishad is the highest body of Panchayati Raj system. High level officials like the district collector, the superintendent of police and the direct judge, the district judge function from district headquarters. The Zilla Parishad is responsible for the development of the rural areas of the whole district. The Zilla Parishad is an elected body. It comprises chairpersons or block pramukhs of block samitis, members of the state legislature and members of the parliament. Seats are reserved for women and people belonging to the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. More or the same between the block level, the village level and the district. Only a little difference is there between all these three. The members elect a president and a vice president from among themselves. Next we'll see the functions. What are the functions of the district level? The Zilla Parishad helps and supports the Gram Panchayat and block samitis. It informs the state government of the work being done by the Gram Panchayats and Block Samitis. It maintains law and order, land records, and collects revenue. It supervises the activities of the Panchayati Raj and provides civic amenities and relief work. It monitors the various developmental work taken up under the community development program of the district. On the basis of the plans prepared by Block Samiti, the Zilla Parishad makes a plan for the whole district. It also advises the state government on all matters related to development. Okay children, now that's all about the functions of the district level. Now we'll see how the state governments and Panchayat Raj functions. The state governments formulate rules and regulations regarding the functioning of the Panchayati Raj system. The state governments work towards the success of Panchayati Raj system. The state governments keep a strict watch on Panchayati Raj system. The state governments provide grants to Panchayati Raj system. The state governments also have the power to dissolve a Panchayat if it is not functioning properly. In a country like ours, the role of Panchayati Raj system is very important. It addresses the problems and needs of the local people and helps to bring about a social change. Yes children, this is all about the state government and Panchayati Raj system. This week half of the lesson continued by the Nyaya Panchayat system, and then block level, the district level, and the composition functions, and last we saw about the state governments and the Panchayati Raj. Now we'll have the summary of this lesson. Panchayati Raj system is the local self-government body that functions in rural areas. Panchayati Raj system works at 3 levels: the Gram Panchayat at the village level, the Block Samiti at the block level, and the Zilla Parishad at the district level. The Panchayat system at the village level consists of 3 main bodies: Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, and the Nyaya Panchayat. Members of a Gram Sabha elect members of the Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat performs compulsory and optional functions. There is one Nyaya Panchayat for several villages. It ensures speedy justice to villages. Block Samitis are the link between Gram Panchayats and Zilla Parishads. They make plans for the development of the whole block. The Zilla Parishad is the highest body of Panchayati Raj system. It performs several functions. Yes children, that's all about this lesson. Rural local self-government is a very easy lesson. Even though it is easy, I have divided into 2 parts and I have taught you any questions in this lesson comes, it is very easy to answer. Now we will see some of the hard words in this lesson. Vandana Bahadur Maida. Then community, Panchayati Raj. Then municipalities, administration, government, arrangements, scheduled, Zilla Parishad, superintendent. Even though it is little hard, you put it in a syllable and you can write several times or 5 times and you can learn easily. Children, do the things, watch the video carefully and understand and be benefited. Thank you, students.